Bom dia, gente. This is Frederick from Portugal. This video is about a very popular visa that we have in Portugal, the so-called D7 visa. This is an introduction video. There are much more details about the visa. If you have more questions or if you would like to read more, you can go to our website. We have an extended article on the website. If you still have questions, feel free to book a meeting with us and we would be happy to help. The D7 visa is one of many visas Portugal has. They all start with a D. I honestly don't know. If you know, please share it in the comments why it's like this. What they all have in common, it's a straightforward visa system. You can work in Portugal, you can also study in Portugal, you can also travel within Schengen areas. There are more benefits, but these are probably the most popular ones. The main requirement, and that's why the visa sometimes is also called retirement visa, which is not completely correct, is that you have passive income, which is, for example, a pension income, it's a rental income, it's royalties from an investment fund, or if you're a famous rock star, you're also good to come if your label pays you royalties on a permanent level. And it all counts. You need to have an passive income of the minimum wage, which is currently 820 euros. This can change in the future. Can you come with a family? Yes, of course. If you bring a partner, you have to add to the minimum income 50%, so 410 euros currently. If you bring children, each child raises the minimum income by 30%. You need to have a clean criminal record in Portugal, in the country that you're currently living in. You need to have private health insurance on top of the official public one that we have in Portugal. You need to have proof of residency, 12 months rental contract, or with at least 12 months. So it can also be longer. Or you can also buy a property. If you're the first time in Portugal, probably renting makes more sense. And you need to have the NIF, which is the tax number in Portugal, and you need to open a bank account. In terms of the bank account, it's important to know that you have to leave a deposit of 12 times the minimum income. In this case, it's 9,840 euros or 12 times 820 euros. If you live in Portugal longer than 5, you can apply for citizenship, but it's not automatic. You still have to prove some things, for example, language skills in this case, and some other things which are feasible, but you're eligible to apply for citizenship after 5 years. In terms of timing, usually, or the embassy have to process the D7, it depends a bit, by 60, 90 days. I would always count with a little bit more, maybe 3-4 months, but then you're usually good to go. But you cannot travel internationally because you have to turn in your passport. That's about it for the introduction. If you have more questions, as I said, please contact us or read our article. Stop surviving, start living. See you in Portugal.